This is how we ruined our van stand. Today was the day. R.I.P. Austin thought that he could repair the simple rust corner. Simple rust corner turned into gutting the entire van. The fixing stand has turned into a big project. Hey guys.
Welcome back. We are back on another day working on stand. Yeah, we got some parts over the weekend. Shout out to Home Depot and Lowe's because without them, this would not be possible.
But not sponsored though.
Yeah.
Please sponsor us. Please. You are our second home.
Really, if you've ever built a van or are currently building a van, you understand that this is...
Or a bus, or a truck, or a car.
You probably spend every day at Home Depot or whatever local hardware stores near you. You're there getting something, whether it's screws, wood, something. So that's how we felt the last couple of days. We've been making sure, going through the list, that we got everything. We think we have some stuff to keep moving forward now. So we're gonna go ahead, our goal is to finish the demo, take out the step, like our hallway step, and figure out what we're gonna do there. And then prep the floor and maybe get some wood cut, some underlay wood cut. It's gonna be our goal for today. And then hopefully we'll come back when it's not raining in the next couple of days, and we'll actually get our top resealed and the rust repaired like we've been trying to do.
Our whole project with this whole rebuild was mainly solely just the rust getting repaired and painted. However, upon further exploration of the van, much more damage was caused by the water that caused the rust to our wood flooring. So
no way to know because it leaked in the walls. Yeah, couldn't see it.
We'll just do all the flooring at this point. Come join us.
Let's do it.
So right now we are discussing whether or not we should rip the floor up from the hallway or not. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Right now we have all the flooring off right here. However, under here, the storage, there is still wood flooring. This step has wood flooring and the bathroom has wood flooring. So now we're talking about doing that flooring. We might as well, right? If the wood is damaged here, it could be damaged under there. We're already this far into it, and I don't think we want to start this again.
We should just do it while we're here, really, because we have to kind of anyway with this step.
So what do you guys think we should do?
Yeah, I think the closet won't be that much extra.
You guys think we should do it? Okay, we'll do it.
Alrighty guys, so we just pulled this off right here, and we knew that this kind of was here. We've been kind of thinking of a way to remove it. We think that the best thing to do is to just keep it, put some hardwood floor on this, make it look nice, and leave it at that, because this actually will help things from under the bed sliding out while we're driving. So it's kind of like a security bump, I guess you could say. So it doesn't really get in the way of anything because it is right at the edge of the bed. It should be okay. We're gonna keep it.
So these are now my designated work pants. And can you let me know if I ripped them? Did I rip my pants?
24 hours later.
Okie dokie, so we are in the hallway now. This is the step. This is just a board that we've placed, but for us to sit. That's underneath there that we've cleaned, and now I'm working in the hallway to get this carpet up. So I'll show you what I'm doing.
Here is the first piece of floor or wood for the floor. We're just laying it out. Now we're about to go measure this piece here and cut it out. Maya's prepping that surface up there so we can cut that board out as well. We're gonna do the foam next on top of that. Maybe even cut out this hole.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, it is Maya. I am back with you for another day of restoring Stan. Yeah.
We're back. Today we're grinding some rust. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get some rust grinded down with the wire wheel, get most of the stuff knocked off, and then we have some rust dissolver spray right here. And we're gonna put this on all the rust, let it dissolve most of it, and then we're gonna hit it all with primer, let it dry tonight, and then probably come back tomorrow and spray it with a color close to what Stan's color is right here. So the whole bag will be painted that color. After we do all that, we can get everything finalized and put down on the floor, and then once we get the floor done, we can move on to the walls. Still haven't fixed that rust repair that we started this project on, but we've been waiting for some rainy days and some time. And so tonight we only have about an hour and a half because we just got home from doing a vendor event. So we're gonna try to get as much knocked out today as we can, and then we're gonna have a couple hours tomorrow after another vendor event to do a couple more things. And then Monday we're gonna hit it hard and we're gonna go to town on this rust. And no more rust for Stan, none. We're gonna keep it rust free up in here and see what we can get done.
One eternity later.
You're doing such a great job.
I'm rust removing.
So today we're back. It's been like 3 or 4 days since we worked on Stan. We got busy doing a convention, which we had lots of fun at, didn't we, Mai?
It was awesome.
Yeah, so we're back today. We're gonna try to get this hole fixed on the top, get the rest of the caulk removed. Yeah, we Last time cut the floors. Now we're gonna do the floor in this cubby as well. Keep working at it, so follow along and we're getting it done.
Guys, fixing Stan has turned into a big project. He is now priming where he put Bondo on the corners for the rust, so the rust is now gone, and just
like that, all done.
All done. So we are removing our sound deadening that we put on a couple years ago. Gonna clean up the rust inside our trunk, but paint's drying, primer is drying, hands are hurting. Rust be gone.
Oh yeah.
Folks, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. The van and I sure could use it right now.
Putting in the work.
This is what we're working with. We've got rust repair going on today for all this crusty dusty rust. Crusty dusty rust there. This wall's gonna come off. We're gonna take off the fiberglass behind that. Austin's there, and look at our castle behind him. No more house
Our
life.
home away from home. This was necessary, but in a sense it wasn't necessary because the leak is fixed, but we needed to do this to get all the water out that was in there so it didn't continue to rust.
It rained last night, guys, and we think the wood got destroyed. We shall see.